Florida's Republican Governor Ron DeSantis suffered a major legal setback this week when a judge that he appointed to the bench told him that the new congressional district maps that he had drawn are in fact unconstitutional. And if you're not familiar with this case, this is something that has actually been going on for dang near a year at this point. There has been a big battle between Ron DeSantis and the Florida state legislature, which is controlled by Republicans. The legislature had the authority to redraw the maps under Florida law. DeSantis had been asking them for months and months and months, I want you to basically dissolve this majority black district, District 5 here in Florida. I want you to break it up and put, half over here in this Republican district, half over here in this Republican district, so that that black vote gets diluted and we lose a Democratic representative. Well, the state legislature had said, we can't do that. That is literally unconstitutional. We kind of have to have that based on federal and state laws. So DeSantis got mad with his state legislature, threatened them, and eventually the state legislature just a couple weeks ago said, all right, screw it. You draw the maps, we'll just go with whatever you want. You're the king of Florida, go ahead and do it. So DeSantis drew his ridiculously racist map, which, by the way, yes, is what judges in the past had called it. And now it went before a judge that he himself appointed, and even that judge, who owes his position to Ron DeSantis, looked at this and said, dude, this is unconstitutional. You cannot do this to this specific district. So the map has to be redrawn. Again. Because DeSantis, again, has been told that he can't do the thing that for some reason he is so desperate to do. Now, I know that Republicans want to have this stranglehold on Florida, but I promise you, having one Democratic representative in District 5 isn't threatening Republican rule here in the state of Florida. But it just shows you how power hungry people like DeSantis truly are. It's not enough to just have giant majorities of Republicans in this state. Oh, no. He wants a monopoly. He wants to have every district as red as humanly possible. And now he's getting in trouble for it because he got greedy. Oh, you couldn't let Democrats have this one little district. You had to try and go and violate the Constitution by breaking it up. He could be in trouble, not in any kind of legal trouble, of course, but if he continues to try to fight this and continue to insist that that district be broken up into two different Republican districts, he's going to get some more backlash. He's going to continue losing in court, and it's going to start to draw attention from people outside the state who otherwise wouldn't be paying attention to Florida's district maps. And that, of course, is always going to be a problem for Ron DeSantis. This is a battle that he cannot hope to win. But his ego and his pride, much like Donald Trump, will never allow him to admit defeat.
This is Hattie. Hattie wants to know why you have not subscribed to our channel. You obviously like our videos, so do us a favor and subscribe.